What would you do if you found a magical unicorn with a broken horn? Princess Lily made one kind choice that changed everything.
Hi kids, it's story time. Are you ready for it? The title of the story is The Essence of Friendship. The author and illustrator of the story is Huma Raja. Once upon a time, in a magical forest, lived a kind girl named Lily. One sunny morning, she discovered a shimmering unicorn named Sparkle by the sparkling river. Sparkle had a broken horn and was feeling very sad. Lily gently approached and offered to help. Using her favorite ribbon, she wrapped Sparkle's horn and sang a soothing melody. Sparkle's horn began to glow and it magically healed it. Grateful, Sparkle took Lily on a ride through the enchanted forest, showing her hidden waterfalls and rainbow fields. From that day on, Lily and Sparkle became the best friends, spreading joy and magic wherever they went. And they lived happily ever after, exploring wonders together. Hey kids, if you want to listen more stories of Lily and Sparkle, make sure to like the video and subscribe my channel.